Good day everyone. Welcome back to the channel and to another exciting episode of our Azure Fabric series. In today's video, we are going step by step into how to load data into the Microsoft Fabric Lakehouse from scratch to finish. Whether you are just getting started with Microsoft Fabric or looking to sharpen your Lakehouse skills, this demo will walk you through the entire process in a simple and practical way. We will cover the data source selection, loading configurations, and finally, how it appears inside the Lakehouse, all within the Microsoft Fabric environment. So if you find this content helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more real-world hands-on videos around Microsoft Fabric, Azure Data Services, and more. Let's dive right in and start loading data into Fabric Lakehouse. Let's go to our workspace. Yep. So let's click on the Lakehouse here, and I'll be in the Lakehouse view here. Let's wait for it to load. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to load a CSV file into the Lakehouse. Yeah. For that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use website called NSE India, and then what I'll do is I will download the data for HDFC Bank. So this particular website gives you the details of the everyday price for your listed stocks. Okay, and in this case what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for the HDFC Bank. So let me click on this historical data. And then what I'll do is I will get 1 month of data. Yeah, let's click on filter and then download it as a CSV file. Yeah, so what I'll do is I will place it inside a folder. I will do it. I will save it as HDFC Bank. Okay, so it's saved now. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my Lakehouse here. And then if you look at the files here, we have the options here. So just click on that. We have several options to create a new shortcut. Maybe if you want, you can create a new subfolder. So what I'll do is let's click on this new subfolder here. And then I will create a folder called stock price. Yeah. And then what I'll do is inside that stock price, I will create another folder called HDFC Bank. Yeah. Once this is done, what I'll do is I will click on this and then I will upload that. But before that, let's look at the various ways using which we'll be able to get data into our Lakehouse. The first option is upload files, which we are going to do. And we have other options we can start with sample data. Yeah, I will show this in our next video. We can create a new shortcut. I will talk about shortcuts in our upcoming videos. And also you can use the Dataflow Gen2. Yeah, so right now let's use this upload option. And then click on this upload files. If you want to upload a folder, you can definitely go ahead and do that. But in my case, I'm going to use upload files. So let's click on this folder icon here. And then what we'll do is let's go to this folder and then let's select the CSV file that we downloaded. So it's here. So I'm going to click on upload. So if you see here, the file is uploaded now. Yeah, let's close that and then let's see if we can see that file. So if you see here, we have the file loaded into our Lakehouse. And what we'll do in our future video is we will try loading this particular file into the Lakehouse table. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Jai Hind.